Oh yeah.
I'm sorry?
You getting a little action out of that one.
Yeah, absolutely. Best action I've had, actually.
Yeah, I seen him splash back there. It's a pretty good fish.
Is it a gar?
I couldn't tell.
I couldn't either, but it certainly looked like a 20-pounder plus. What'd you think?
Yeah, it's a pretty good fish. It could be a big blue too.
I think it's a catfish.
Yep.
Because I think it's got more that jerking than I've seen with a gar.
Yeah, I believe it's a good blue.
Now, do you net them?
Yeah, I can. Once you get him up here where we can see, get a look see at him. No, it's that's a beast of a gar there on that little small rig, ain't it?
Huh.
I would have thought it was a catfish too, really, at first.
But this is a great little fight.
Yeah, that's a good
Give and
fish.
take.
It's a real good fish. Look how that hook's in him. All right, I'm gonna try to get net him.